YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to retrieve your recording from the AIRHOGS racing car, the FPV. So first of all, you need a USB data cable and then connecting to your smartphone. This is for the Android. So either your Samsung, LG, LTC, or your Pixel XL or XL2s. And some other Huawei phone, you'll be doing the same thing. And you need to click on allow to allows you to connect to your computer and press OK on the computer and then retrieve your files. You want to go to the folders under movies, and then under movies you're going to go to the FPV car recording. This is all the videos on the MP4. Okay, and then the other one you want to go and then retrieve the picture is by the PNG. It's not on the JPEG files. Okay, so you want to go to again, I'm trying to show you, but you will need to drag and then copy to your desktop folders. Okay, there's no copy, that you could only have a new folder or delete. So I'm trying to show you guys. I just drag it to my folder to retrieve the files. And then another one to get the picture is go to DCIM folders, and on the FPV car snapshot, it's all your pictures in here. All right, hopefully you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up and then subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out, guys.